Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video we will talk about how you can find the best affiliate product to promote on your website, on your YouTube channel, through your social media. So without wasting your time, let's get started. A lot of people ask me this question, that how to get a perfect product to promote as an affiliate marketer on my Instagram, on my email, on my contact number, and I am gonna answer this question in this video. So you have to watch this video carefully till the end so you can get the perfect product to promote as an affiliate marketer. So let's start our video. So first of all, open Google Chrome and I'm gonna share 3 methods to get the perfect product to promote as an affiliate marketer. So the first and the most important thing to consider while getting the perfect product to promote as an affiliate marketer is to consider your niche. What is your niche? What are you going to be talking about on your blog or on your channel or on your social media platforms? So this is the most important question to ask. So if your niche is about digital marketing, making money online, email marketing like mine, then what I will do to get the perfect product to promote as an affiliate marketer, there are many affiliate networks that I can sign up and then I get the perfect product to promote as an affiliate marketer. So what I will do is I will get some services, I will get some online tools to promote as an affiliate marketer. So how can I do that? There are sites like ShareaSale, okay, ShareaSale. So I will open ShareaSale here, and then there are sites like CJ, Commission Junction. So these are the best affiliate marketing networks. So what I will do is I will open ShareaSale and I will create an affiliate account on ShareaSale. Why? Because this is the best affiliate marketing network. So like you can see that if I click on this affiliates, okay, like you can see that monetize your content with our trusted network and $1 billion earned by affiliates last year. So what is this? So this is a huge number, and like you can see that 260 affiliates join every day and there are 16,000 plus brands across all sectors. So what I will do is I will create an account on this ShareaSale and then I will join some best affiliate marketing programs from here. I will join affiliate marketing programs related to my niche, related to email marketing, digital marketing, making money online, so that I can influence my customers, my viewers, my audience to buy this affiliate program. So like you can see that join merchant programs, this is the best affiliate program, affiliate marketing network, and here commissionjunction.com. What I will do here is I will create an account on this Commission Junction and publisher. If I create an account on this Commission Junction, I can get a lot of affiliate marketing program. Like you can see that annual publisher commissions is $1.8 billion. So I will create account on these websites and I will get some best product about my niche to promote as an affiliate marketer. And the second category in this video we will talk about is if you don't have an audience about online marketing tools, digital marketing and making money online. Like if you write articles about health, you make videos about health, then how can you get the perfect product to promote as an affiliate marketer? So there's a number one website to get the perfect product to promote as an affiliate marketer is, I've already made a video on this, Amazon affiliate. Okay, so Amazon affiliate is the best platform to start affiliate marketing. Okay, so you'll have to click on this Amazon Associates and then you can, okay, there are millions of products on Amazon and you can get a lot of products to promote as an affiliate marketer related to your niche, related to your audience. So like you can see that how do I earn commission? You earn from qualifying purchases and programs through traffic you drive to Amazon. This is very simple, very easy, and you can start earning commissions from here by clicking here and creating an account on Amazon. So that's how you can get the perfect products to promote as an affiliate marketer. So that's all for this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then do it now so you won't miss my videos in future. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.